Hello, everyone. I have a very exciting announcement to share with you guys. I'll be organizing another meet and greet session with every one of you. So, the last session that we did was early this year, around February and March, right? And a lot of things have happened since then. The Trump tariffs in the market slightly crashed a bit, and the earnings season is also over. So, I think it's a very good time right now, okay, to meet up, okay, physically, and then provide you some updates, okay, on what BIA has been doing. So I decided the theme for our meetup, okay, for this time is I'll be sharing BIA's secret to discover stock opportunities before the market does. And the details of the event I will share with you later on in this video. Okay. Now, if some of you do not know me, all right, I would like to provide a very short introduction about myself. I am Daniel Lim and I am from Better Investing Academy. I am also a stock investor like you, and I have over a decade of experience, okay, investing in the stock market right now. And BIA, we are the expert on helping people build wealth safely and consistently from stocks. And here you can see this is our community members, all right, from both Singapore and Malaysia. And of course, I have a YouTube channel and I also leading a Telegram community right now. So for those of you who are watching me constantly from YouTube, right, and also see me writing a lot of things in Telegram, so all of this is just watching me online in video and see me in words only, right? So I think it's very nice, okay, to be able to organize a physical session, yeah, where we can see each other. At least there's a real Daniel, all right? Okay, yeah. So this meet and greet session here now is specialized for investors, okay, for you. If you have been struggling, for example, struggling to generate results from the stock market, or you are still having losses, okay, and you do not know how to recover your portfolio, then this meet and greet session is a very good chance for you, okay, to know what are we doing, okay, and then how we are able to help you. Yeah. So in this meet and greet session, some of the contents that you will be getting is how we spot stock opportunities. All right. And not only that, I'll be sharing with you how we dare to buy and know the stock price will recover. And lastly, of course, I will share with you how our investors, okay, the investors in our Discord channel one, okay, how are they able to achieve 70% to 100% returns? Yeah, there will be a lot of value that I'll be sharing with you guys. Yeah. All right. So you see why I dare to say, okay, that our investors are able to achieve such returns is because we deliver results. Now, you have been with us already. You can see already we have been consistently delivering results for our investors in our Discord channel. So, for example, one of our investor here, okay, she's a very nice elderly lady, okay, but she has not much investing experience behind the scene. But with our guidance, you can see for the past 2 years, she has able to generate 102% profit. Yeah, 102% profit, despite, okay, the Trump tariff market crash that just happened earlier this year. But her portfolios, you can see, still continue to recover after that. Yeah. And not only that, another of our member almost doubled his portfolio, 102%, or 194,000 USD in profit in just 1 year. Yeah. And of course, some of our members are facing losses before, but consistently they are able to invest, following us and stuff. So today, okay, this person here are able to generate 92% profit from a 70% loss. All right. So these are the three results that I would like to show you guys. But if you want more evidence, right, you want to see whether BIA is legit one or not, feel free. Right? Feel free to go to our website, betterinvestingacademy.com, and click our results. We post all of this here. These are all real, okay, legitimate results from our members. Yeah, you can see, just scroll a lot of our the results that we have helped people. Okay, some recovering from losses, and then some generated life-changing wealth. Okay, so you want to take a look, you can take a look yourself here. Okay, now let's move on. So in short for you guys, okay, this session here is a session where I will show you how our investors achieve this, so that you yourself also can have an idea how you can also do this for your own investing portfolio. All right, so as an added bonus for you guys, I'll be sharing two stocks where we are still focusing right now for 2025 and 2026. A lot of the stocks that I have already shared with you guys have already went up in price, okay, because they were undervalued and they went up already. Some stocks are still lying dormant, yeah, because the market has not noticed their potential, right? So although these stocks here, very highly potential, they are still flat. So I decided to take this, okay, opportunity to share with you guys again. And let's hope, okay, the share price didn't went up, okay, before our meet and greet session. Okay, so let me share with you, okay, the details of the event. So it will be in Singapore and Malaysia. So this is a chance for you to get the early bird ticket, but only until 7 September 2025. This is the deadline here. So for Singapore, we'll be doing it on 4th October 2025, 2 to 6 p.m. at Holiday Inn Atrium, Singapore. As for Malaysia, okay, it will be doing the next week after Singapore, which is on 11 October 2025, same time, 2 to 6 p.m. at Plaza Vets, KL. Now, for those of you, our Singapore friends, the original ticket fee will be 50 Sing dollar per pax. All right. But the early bird ticket will be 35 Sing dollar per pax. For Malaysia, it will be 70 ringgit per pax original or the original entrance fee. Okay. But for the early bird tickets, it's only 50 ringgit per pax. All right. So you can grab our early bird ticket here before 7th September, okay, at a discounted price, of course. Okay. So you can either just click the link at the post there and register yourself, or you can scan the QR code here and register also. And again, remember, I do not want to have this meet and greet session is like a big mega event, because I want to keep it very small, okay, so that we can chat, okay, we can ask questions, do more Q&A sessions with you guys. So I'd like to keep it a very small, intimate group. All right. So again, grab this before 7th September 2025. And of course, if you have any questions, do WhatsApp our team and we'll be helping you with any inquiries that you get. Okay, this is our phone number, or you can just scan this QR code. All right, and then our team will help you over here. Yeah. So I shall leave this slide here for you guys to register if you want. So see you in my meet and greet session. Okay, I can't wait to share all of the knowledge that I have with you guys. So thanks, guys. See you.